If you're looking for a meal prep idea that can sustain you throughout the week and also it's perfect for weight loss, try out this easy and simple 30-minute recipe that is mincemeat and sweet potato recipe, which is going to be very nutritious, loaded with lots of vegetables, delicious and very filling. This is a recipe for a single person. You can double up or even triple the recipe to make some more. So you need some mincemeat, and I have around 150 grams of mincemeat. I have 2 tomatoes, some coriander, a little bit of red bell pepper, zucchini, onion, a few spices, tomato paste, and our sweet potato. And you're going to find everything listed in the description box in the right quantity. So I'm going to start off by peeling my sweet potato. I'm going to place everything aside. And using a vegetable peeler, I'm going to peel my sweet potato, and it's going to be very easy. Once I am done, I'm going to cut my sweet potato into rings, just like this. Once done, I'm going to stack and cut into small cubes. Transfer to a bowl, pick the next, and repeat until I'm done. Cutting the sweet potato into small cubes is going to make cooking very easy for you. If you wash the skin of the sweet potato, it's not going to be messy. That is if you remove the dirt from the sweet potato. So once you are done, you're going to pick a pan and place over medium-high flame. Then you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Spread the oil in the pan, add in your sweet potatoes, and then you're going to cook until the potatoes are tender, and that is going to take around 2 to 4 minutes over medium flame. Make sure the sweet potatoes are in a single layer so that they can cook evenly. While the sweet potatoes are cooking, we're going to sprinkle in a little bit of salt, then toss. You can also use your spatula if you don't know how to toss, and make sure all the sweet potatoes are coated with the salt. You want the potatoes to be very well seasoned. Then you're going to let this cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. After cooking your sweet potatoes for a while, this is how they're going to be looking. As you can see, they are very well cooked. When I pinch into the sweet potato, it's tender on the inside, but it's super crispy on the outside and it has a gorgeous golden brown color. So because it's ready, I'm going to transfer to my plate. Told you this is a recipe for one. I'm going to serve, ready to enjoy my lunch. Keep the rest aside. They're so delicious and well seasoned. Then into the same pan, I'm going to add in a tiny bit of cooking oil because my mincemeat is a little bit fatty. Then transfer in. Cook the mincemeat for around 1 to 2 minutes or until it's fully cooked. Use a spatula and break down the mincemeat as it's cooking. As your mincemeat is cooking, it's going to render down some fat if it's a little bit fatty, but if it's on the lean side, you're going to add in a teaspoon more of cooking oil. Next, you're going to pick your onions because my mincemeat is ready, and this is one large onion. Saute it together with the mincemeat for around a minute until the onions are nice and soft. If you notice that your pan is drying out, you can reduce the flames to low so that everything can slowly cook. I'm going to add in a couple of spices. I have some paprika, a little bit of black pepper, and Cajun seasoning. Just want to add in some seasoning to my mincemeat. Then I'm going to stir in once your onions are softened up, you're going to add in tomatoes. Add in a little bit of tomato paste, around a teaspoon. Cook your tomatoes for around 2 minutes over medium-low flame or until they're fully cooked. If you notice that your pan is drying out, you can add in a 1/4 cup of water and let the tomatoes cook. Add in a seasoning cube, which is quite optional. You can add in some salt. And immediately you add in the tomatoes and tomato paste, you'll notice that the mincemeat gets a very lovely color, and also it gets in a little bit saucy. Once the tomatoes are cooked down, just like this, you're going to add in a whole zucchini. Stir in, then you're going to add in a splash of water so that the zucchini can cook. At this point, you're going to check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in some more salt. And when it's getting all saucy, you're going to add in your peppers. You can also add in the green or yellow pepper. Look how delicious the mincemeat stew is looking. And when the zucchini and capsicum is soft, you're going to garnish with some coriander. Always check the seasoning before putting out the flames. This looks absolutely delicious. So I'm going to put out the flames and serve. After plating, this is how the portions should be looking like. As you can see, we have some proteins, carbs, and healthy fats. And the mincemeat is loaded with lots of vegetables. You can easily customize by adding in or throwing in some broccoli or cauliflower or any vegetable that you have in the house. The sweet potatoes are going to add in fiber, lots of nutrients, and they're going to keep you full. And the avocado, yeah, it's going to add in creaminess, and everything is going to be very delicious. So this is a recipe worth trying because, as you have seen, it's budget friendly because the minced meat was 150 grams. The avocado is cheap. The avocado is cheap depending on where you are, and my sweet potato was also budget friendly. So this is a very nice lunch or dinner idea that you can whip up within 30 minutes, and you're going to have a filling meal.